Hi, it's Larry Kearney. This is my demo on the new Chrome extension called Exit Intent Pop-Up Code Generator. This is a new Chrome extension that will allow you to generate exit pop-up code for any website, any HTML, CSS, JS code that covers static pages, WordPress pages, anything like that. So the Exit Intent Pop-Up Generator is a powerful Chrome extension that builds fully custom exit intent pop-ups for any website. It gives you a clean HTML, CSS, JS code you can paste in seconds. No coding, no plugins, no monthly fees. And this code you would paste right before the body close tag, and it happens. You could do that in a few. Anyone could do that. There's no skills involved, and also there's no monthly fees. You pay for it once. You use it on websites indefinitely. So we're going to the demo here. So basically, once you activate the plugin, here you have three different presets. You have a lead magnet, list building, coupon discounts, coupons, and webinar registration. So if you're doing for the lead, that will be your basic setup. They can click here to go to any page you want, or click here. Either one will send them to a page if they decide to click one of those. You have the coupon. It's for coupons. You could change any of the words on this pop-up. And you have webinar registration. So as I said before, you could change any of that. So let's do one. See the lead pop-up. And everyone knows that any successful page you go to, everyone has a pop-up, has an intent or exit, something, because it makes it possible to get a sale or get a lead that normally you wouldn't get at all, because people come to the site, they stay there for, I don't know, a few seconds, and they're gone. So you get a chance to actually get the opportunity to get another lead or another sale that you normally would not have received. Now, also, once you use this, you can save the current version once you create one. So let's create one here. So it gives you could change the heading on the page if you want to. Just show you this. It's very, very easy. Or edit it here. Or edit or add more here in this box. So you have full control of that. Plus the buttons. Send me the checklist. You could change the wording on that. You could put any page you want here. And put Google for now. I forgot what the oh, okay. Have them sent to any URL you would like when they click that tab. You can change the color of the pop-up background, text, things like that. So that's done. I changed the look so you can see what it looks like. There's actually works very well. Very easy to do. Go back here. Okay, so now it's set to enable exit intent trigger. Mouse leaves at the top. When the person tries to leave, this will pop up. Also trigger after inactivity. Trigger when they scroll deep. Disable pop-up on mobile if you want to. Show only once per browser session. So you see here, and you see here, so everything's set. It's changed, so you could add more or less. So now here's the output. Okay, and all you have to do here, you have the JSON, and you have, well, actually these are the import export buttons for JSON. And let's say you want to just copy the code, keep it simple. Let's go back to a page. So you go down to any page, and right before the close of the body tag, which is right here, paste it in there, and you hit save. So now when you go to that page, when anybody goes to that page, for example, let's say open the page up, Your page is open, so they're reading around, or they say, oh, let me go. Let me leave this page. When they leave, this pops up. Now, they could close it here, or they could, when they click one of these, it will take them to whatever link you put in that box there. Let me go back here. And you see here, you also have the save button here. Let me go back, show the, so let me see here. So when you click the button here, it's going to take them to whatever URL that you have in that button there. So very simple, works very smoothly. Anybody could use this exit pop-up, and you see it has different functions, and you can edit as much as you want to. You see how it is on the mobile. Okay, so check it out. Click the link below to get started, or read through the page. It goes through the benefits, the recovery, ban and recover visitors, basically. Generates a clean code. You can have yes or no, or you can change the button to say anything you want. You can have exit intent, inactivity, scroll triggers, and so it does. And you could store, as I said before, it will store your image. Let me see here. It will store the one that you actually, last one that you made. Say configuration, delete selection. So once you actually edit one, say edit there. Yeah. You can see your example here. You're just going to save the pop-up there, delete the selection. We could rename it here, test 101. There we go. So you save it. When you go in here and you edit this here, okay, say 100 days, just for testing purposes. So that particular version is saved. So when you come back, you could either go with the default version, or you go with the new one that you just made. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Click the link below if you want more information. There's a lot of details here about how it works, but I covered all the basics points here. And I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video.